This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM/SD tray so you can access edges safely. Next, wear an ESD strap and lay out the screwdriver set, suction cup, thin pry tool, and a magnetic pad. This prevents lost screws. Once done, photograph the screen and connector layout so you know where each cable goes. Make sure to keep small parts organized by step. This saves time when you reverse the process and reduces risk of accidental damage. You heat the perimeter gently to soften adhesive, aiming for roughly 50-60 degrees C. This loosens glue without warping components. Then use a suction cup and plastic picks to lift the display from one corner, working slowly and evenly to avoid cracking. Once a gap forms, insert thin tools and slide along the seam. Do not pry near the camera. After opening, remove shielding screws and disconnect the battery first, then the display and digitizer cables. This prevents short circuits while you continue the repair. You align and seat the new display connectors carefully, pressing until they click. Once connected, tape the panel in place and power the phone on to test touch, backlight, and sensors before final sealing. If tests pass, power off, disconnect battery, reapply adhesive strips, and reassemble the brackets and screws in reverse order, applying light torque. If the display doesn't work, power down, reseat connectors, inspect pins for bends or debris, and try a full software restart. These steps catch most installation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.